You know it's good when you can't see through the noodles. So if I press down on this, cheese is coming out. We like that. It's a good sign. It's a good mac and cheese. Wow. Damn good mac and cheese. I'm starting with some beef tallow, some flour, it's about half a cup, 3.5 cups of milk, Church Blanco. Now it's time for the cream cheese. Stir this in. Freshly shredded white cheddar and some gouda. Measure with your heart. Traeger rub. I like to have very visible cracked pepper. What you see here is our noodles, our bechamel, and our 2 different cheeses. We'll start by taking the sauce, throwing it all over those noodles. You're gonna think you're using too much sauce, but I'm telling you, go overboard because that shit dries out. All right, now we're gonna throw some cheese in there. Fold that cheese in there. Back through with some more cheese, more of that bechamel. Putting it on the top is necessary. Then on the Traeger she goes. This corner piece right here, oh my god. Mac and cheese is the best side in barbecue. I mean, tell me I'm wrong.